Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable disconnect issues with WalletConnect, full guide step by step clearly. To disable disconnect issues with WalletConnect, begin by ensuring you are using the latest version of the WalletConnect app. Open the WalletConnect app on your device. Navigate to the settings menu within the app. Look for the option labeled Connection Settings. Within this menu, you will find options related to auto disconnect features. Toggle the auto disconnect option to disable it. Next, confirm that your internet connection is stable. If you're using mobile data, consider switching to a Wi-Fi network for better connectivity. Reopen your WalletConnect application to ensure the settings take effect. Proceed to connect your wallet to the desired decentralized application. During the connection process, make sure to grant all necessary permissions. After establishing the connection, test the functionality by performing a transaction. If disconnect issues persist, try clearing the app's cache. Revisit the settings and ensure that your session timeout settings are configured properly. For further troubleshooting, consider reinstalling the WalletConnect app. Once reinstalled, repeat the connection process. Monitor the connection stability following these adjustments. If issues continue, consult the WalletConnect support documentation for additional tips. This complete guide should help mitigate disconnect problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.